so these are my twists from my last video. Remember, your hair always needs to be in twists whenever you wash your hair or braids. I'm just gonna drench my hair in warm to hot water. Knowing me, it was probably hot water. I ain't gonna hold you. Oh gosh. And then there's your Not Your Mom's. And I'm not gonna hold y'all, I washed my hair a lot. Like, a lot. The amount of times that I used that shampoo was like 10 times. I mainly focus on my scalp while I wash my hair. I just kind of let the shampoo just run down my twist. There I am getting more. The only reason I am washing a lot is because I noticed that it wasn't getting sudsy everywhere like I needed it to. So I was being kind of paranoid and I was like, well, I'm not getting back in the shower to wash my hair. So I'm just gonna make sure that it's extra clean. And I did that. I don't recommend it, but I did it. So. After shampooing, I'm going to go in with this rice water. You're just going to see me spray it all over my head. First is going to be mainly on my scalp. Got to get them edges. Okay, got to get them. And then you're going to see me massage it in all the areas that I spray. It may not look like nothing, but it actually does something. It makes my hair very soft. It decreases the amount of shedding. Now I'm going in and I'm spraying my actual strands, and you'll see me do the squeezing method. I'm just going to sponge in that rice water into my hair. Look at me trying to be cute.
Where was that? Ah! What the f is that? I'm scared!
Now, if you couldn't tell by that deep sigh that I just did, I'm about to attempt, get that plastic bag, about to attempt to pour all this rice water onto my scalp. Is it pleasant? Not really. Well, I got that plastic bag on me. Are you ready? Okay, there we go. Now we're ready. There we go. So it's been about 40-45 minutes taking that thing off. Oh, ew. We got that drill, baby. So I'm washing or rinsing out my hair with cool water. It wasn't fun. Not me looking at the faucet like it did something wrong. Here's Aunt Jackie's Cocoa Cream Deep Conditioner. I'm gonna go over all my twists and just like sponge it in. Make sure I try to get the roots as well. You're gonna see me go to the ends because that's the most important part. This is my head half covered in deep conditioner and the other half that is not. And now I'm just gonna do the same on the other half. Now I'm going to sit for about 40 minutes with this cap on my head. All done. Now I'm just going to rinse with some lukewarm water. That was one of those sneezes that make your soul implode. I don't know what happened there. Now that I'm done rinsing, I'm going to first get my face together because then I'm going to continue to put this microfiber towel on my head. All done. Bye guys.